In this video, I will show you how to download Pinterest video on your mobile gallery. So if you follow these easy steps, then you will be able to download any kind of videos from your Pinterest to your iPhone or to your Android phone. Okay, go ahead and search for the video that you want to download, and then you have to copy the video link. So just tap on this three dot and here tap on copy link. Once you successfully copied the specific video link that you want to download, now on your mobile phone you have to open a browser, and in your browser search box you have to type here Pinterest video downloader. Just search using this keyword, and now here you'll find lots of websites where you can easily download your Pinterest videos. So let's open this first website, and then in this box you have to paste your Pinterest video link that you just copied, and then tap on download. And it may take some time to download the video here, so be patient in this step. And here we can see the video preview. Now just tap on this three dot, tap on download, and here we can see the video is downloading. Once done, I'm going to my gallery and going to download folder. Here we can see the video I just downloaded. So that's how we can super easily download videos. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.